Once upon a time stood an old treehouse. It was old, but it held many memories. I built it for your father. Mia loved that treehouse. Every summer she climbed its old ladder. Today she found something new, a small wooden box hidden under a loose board. Grandpa Leo walked slowly across the yard. He saw the box in her hands, and his eyes grew soft. I built this treehouse a long time ago. Inside the box were letters, old, yellow letters. Grandpa opened the first one slowly. It was written by his own father. Long ago, Grandpa Leo was just a boy. His father built this very treehouse for him. They spent every evening watching the stars together. Mia looked up at her grandfather.
Can we write a letter too?
Grandpa smiled, a big, warm smile. So they sat down together.
Grandpa held the pen. Mia held his hand. Word by word,
They wrote a letter of their own. Biscuit the dog climbed up too.
he rested his head on Mia's lap. Even he knew this moment was special.
They folded the letter carefully. Grandpa placed it back into the wooden box. "This is for the next generation," he whispered. They sat together as the sun went down. The sky turned orange and pink. Neither of them said a word. They didn't need to. Years passed. Mia grew up, but she never forgot that treehouse. One day she brought her own child to find the box again. Some places hold more than wood and nails. They hold love. They hold memory, and they wait patiently for us to return.